Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to Your Reviews. If you're on the lookout for the coolest home gadgets to elevate your living space, you're in the right place. But before we dive into our top picks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy what you see. And hey, for more information on any of the products mentioned, check out the links in the description box below. Now, let's jump right into our selection of the top 6 must-have home gadgets of the year. Starting off our countdown at number 6, we have the KitchenMetrics Digital Kitchen Food Scale and Measuring Cup. This innovative tool boasts accuracy and ease of use, ensuring precise measurements every time. With its washable cup and automatic shut-off feature, cleanup is a breeze. Plus, the large LCD display makes it easy to read, even in dimly lit kitchens. And with the added convenience of a battery included, powered by one lithium battery for long-lasting performance, this scale is a game-changer for any culinary enthusiast. Moving on to number 5, we have the Kebnor Steamer for Clothes, a portable powerhouse that's perfect for those on the go. This steamer heats up in just 15 seconds, delivering continuous steam for 8 minutes straight. With its 800 watts of power, it effortlessly banishes wrinkles from clothes, ensuring you always look sharp, no matter where you are. The ergonomic handle and extra-long power cord make for comfortable and convenient steaming, while its advanced technology and deep cleaning capabilities guarantee a thorough refresh for your garments. Plus, its compact and lightweight design, coupled with a handy storage bag, makes it the ideal travel companion for any jet setter. Coming in at number 4, we have the GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station, a versatile appliance that's sure to become your morning MVP. Featuring healthy ceramic non-stick coating, this breakfast maker ensures worry-free cooking without harmful chemicals. Its 3-in-1 design allows you to cook multiple items simultaneously, from eggs and veggies to pancakes and bacon, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. And with its built-in timer and tempered glass lid, you can keep an eye on your meal without sacrificing heat or flavor. Plus, the cool touch handles make for safe and easy handling, ensuring your breakfast is always served with a side of safety. Taking the number 3 spot is the BLITZHOME Sous Vide machine, a culinary powerhouse that's as convenient as it is efficient. With its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi remote control, you can monitor and control your cooking from anywhere, making meal prep a breeze. Its durable clamp ensures secure usage, while its 1100 watts of power and 360 degrees water circulation guarantee fast and even cooking every time. And with features like low water level protection and temperature alarm, you can cook with confidence, knowing that safety is always a top priority. Plus, its intuitive mobile app and remote monitoring capabilities make sous vide cooking easier and more convenient than ever before. Coming in at number 2, we have the Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker, the ultimate treat for family nights and gatherings. Say goodbye to open flames and messy cleanup with this flameless heater, which delivers perfectly roasted s'mores every time. Complete with stainless steel roasting forks and easy-to-clean trays, this indoor s'mores maker is sure to be a hit with kids and adults alike. So, gather round, grab your favorite toppings, and let the indoor s'mores party begin. And finally, taking the coveted number 1 spot is the Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System, a revolutionary device that brings the joy of gardening right into your home. With its water reservoir, overhead LED grow light, and circulation system, this hydroponic setup allows plants to grow up to 3 times faster and healthier than traditional soil planting. Plus, with 10 growing stations and 2 different light modes to choose from, you can grow a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and flowers with ease. And with features like a water-level window and height-adjustable light post, gardening has never been more convenient or enjoyable. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a budding botanist, the Indoor Garden Hydroponics Growing System is sure to take your culinary creations to new heights. And there you have it, folks, the top 6 kitchen gadgets that are guaranteed to revolutionize your cooking experience. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on these must-have products today and take your kitchen game to the next level.